Welcome to today's vocabulary lesson. Let's dive right in. First up is altruism. This word embodies the selfless concern for others, a quality we often admire in heroes. Next, we have eloquent. Think of someone who speaks so fluently and persuasively that their words can captivate an audience. Now, let's explore trepidation. This term captures that uneasy feeling of fear or agitation we sometimes experience when facing the unknown. Moving on, aesthetic refers to our appreciation for beauty, whether in art, nature, or design. Finally, we have ephemeral, which describes things that are fleeting, like a beautiful sunset or a moment of joy. Each of these words enriches our language and helps us express complex ideas. Cacophony, a harsh, discordant mixture of sounds. Lethargic, feeling sluggish or lacking in energy. Ubiquitous, present, appearing, or found everywhere. Euphoria, a feeling of intense happiness and well-being. Mellifluous, of a voice or words, sweet or musical, pleasant to hear. Quintessential, representing the most perfect or typical example of a quality or class. Resilient, able to withstand or recover quickly from difficult conditions. Obfuscate, to deliberately make something unclear or confusing. Camaraderie, mutual trust and friendship among people who spend a lot of time together. Ineffable, too great or extreme to be expressed in words. Taciturn, reserved or uncommunicative in speech, saying little. Sycophant, a person who acts excessively obedient or servile to someone important in order to gain advantage. Mendacious, given to lying, false or untruthful. Pernicious, having a harmful effect, especially in a gradual or subtle way. Serendipity, the occurrence of events by chance in a happy or beneficial way. Let's keep expanding our vocabulary together.